Hello students, today our topic name is odd sounds. Odd means different sound. Odd means different or new sound. Okay, it is the 19th question in our model paper. It is the 19th question in our model paper. It has 4 marks. It has 4 marks. In the examination, the question will given as like. In the examination, the question will given as like. Circle any 4 of the words that sound different with regard to the sounds of the bold letters. In the examination, the question will given as. Circle any 4 of the words. Circle any 4 of the words that sound different with regard to the sounds of the bold letters. Here given 6 sets. We need to attempt only 4 words. Okay. See here. What are the words given here? What are the letters, bold letters given here? Once see here. In the first set, change, chariot, character. This is first set. In the second set, like, live, limit. The word live. In the bracket given, V means verb. Live is a word and also noun also. In the noun, the pronunciation is different. Live. Okay? So here given verb. Verb's pronunciation L-I-V-E is live. Okay? Like, live, limit. This is second. Next third set, bore, box, bomb. Next fourth set, younger, danger, passenger. Jungle, fifth set, jungle, bullet, butt. Next last set, sixth set, shore, salt, silk. Okay. These are the words given in the question. Okay. What are the letters marked as bold letters here? See them. In the change, CH is bold letter. In the word chariot, CH is marked as bold. Next in the word character, CH are the bold letters. Next in the second question, like. In the like, I is bold. Live, I is bold. Limit, I is bold. The first I is bold. Next in the third question, bore, O is bold. In the box, O is bold. In the bomb, O is bold letter. Okay. In the fourth question, younger, the G is marked as bold letter. Next, danger, G bold letter. Passenger, G is the bold letter. In the fifth set, jungle, U is the bold letter. Bullet, U is the bold letter. But U is the bold letter. In the sixth set, shore, S is the bold letter. Salt, S is the bold letter. Silk, in the word silk, S is the bold letter. Okay? Understand here? Listen to me carefully. If you know the pronunciation of the word, you will get easily 4 marks for this question. Just if you know the pronunciation of the words. Okay, see here, change. Just we need only the pronunciation of the ch. Bold letters, we need only bold letters pronunciation. We need only bold letters pronunciation. In these three words, one word is different from these three words. We need to identify a different sound and circle the word. Then we will get one mark. Okay, understand? In these three words, a word's pronunciation will be different. We need to identify the different pronunciation word and circle the word. Then we will get easily one mark. Okay? Okay, see here. Change. In the word change, ch is pronounced as cha. Okay? Next, chariot. In the word chariot, ch is pronounced as cha. Next, character. In the word character, ch is pronounced as ka. The ch sounds like k sound. Here cha sound. Here also cha sound. What is the different sound here? Change, character, change, chariot, character. Once again, see here. Change, chariot, character. What is the difference here? Character is the difference. Why? Because in the word ch, in the word change, ch sounds like cha. In the word chariot, ch sounds like cha. In the word character, ch sounds like ka. So the different sound is character. Then we need to circle the word. This is the answer for question. Okay. Now second, like, live, limit. Like. Here in the word like, I sounds like I. Okay. Next, live. In the word live, I sounds like live. E sound. Here comes E sound. Next, in the word limit, the bold letter is the first I. In the limit, the first I sounds like limit. E sound. Here comes E sound. Here comes E sound. Here the I sounds like I, like. What is the difference? See here, like, live, limit. Live, limit, the similar sound. Like is different sound. So we need to circle the word like. Okay? Understand? You get 2 marks. Okay? Next, the third one. Bore, box, bomb. Bore, box, bomb. We need only bold letters sounds only. Okay, here bore, O sound. Box, O sounds like box. Bomb, A sound. O sounds like A. So once again see here, bore, box, bomb. The both are the same sound words. Different sound is bore. Different sound is bore. You have got 3 marks. 1, 2, 3. Next, fourth one. Younger, danger, passenger. Younger, danger, passenger. What are the given here G. We need only G's pronunciation. We need only the letter G's pronunciation only. Okay? In the word anger, G sounds like anger, ga sound. Danger, ja sound. Passenger, ja sound. So, danger, passenger, both are the same sounds. Danger, passenger. Here, anger. This is the different sound. Okay. In the fifth word, jungle, bullet, butt. Jungle, bullet, butt. Here given bold letter is U. We need only use pronunciation. Okay. Jungle. U sounds like jungle. Bullet. U sounds like bullet. U sound. But B but. U sounds like jungle. But both are the same sound words. Bullet. Here bullet is the different sound. Okay. Next, last question. Shore, sand, silk. See here, what are the letter given here as the bold? S is bold here. S is bold letter. So we need only the letter S pronunciation. Okay. See here, sure. The word S-U-R is sure. S makes sound like sha sound. Here, salt. In the word salt, S makes sound like sa. Next, in the word silk. The letter S makes sound like sa. Once again, see here. Shore, salt, silk. Here comes sha sound. Sha means in Telugu like in English SH sound. Okay. Here sa sound. Here also sa sound. What is the difference? What are the similar? Salt, silk are the similar sounds. Sure is the different sound. So what is our answer? Our answer is sure. Okay. In the examination, the questions will come 6 questions. Okay. You need to attempt only 4 words, but you need to attempt to all questions. Why? Because if you done any fault, any mistake, you will gain marks from here. Okay. 2 questions are choice questions, but don't leave the questions for choice. All the questions we should attempt. Okay. See here once again. What is our topic name? Our topic name is odd sounds. Odd sounds means different sounds. In the examination, they will give 6 sets. In each set, they will give 3 words. In the 3 words, a letter or 2 letters will give as bold letters. Just we need to understand only bold letters pronunciation, and what is the different sound is given. The word we should be round up. then we will get marks. Okay. In the first question, change chariot character. Character is the different sound. In the second one, like, live, limit. Like is the different sound. Next, bore, box, bomb. In the third question, bore, box, bomb. The odd sound is bore. In the fourth question, anger, danger, passenger. A different sound. Odd sound is anger. In the fifth one, jungle, bullet, butt. Jungle, bullet, butt. The odd sound is bullet. In the sixth question, shore, sand, silk. The odd sound is shore. Okay. This is the topic of odd sounds or different sounds. It is very easy topic. You will definitely get 4 marks easily for this question in the examination. Okay. Thank you, students. Thank you very much.